Hi everyone and welcome to another product haul video. So today I'm going to talk about all things vegan skincare to you guys because Plum Goodness just had its 6th birthday and has a massive sale going on. Up to 40% off and so many freebies. So exciting, right? So without further ado, let me show you everything I got. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this new green tea mini kit that I got for free. Yes, it's free on orders above rupees 1999 till 21st of September. So this kit contains all their bestsellers and is in such a perfectly bag-friendly size. It's got a face wash, mask, toner, day moisturizer and night moisturizer. This entire range contains antioxidant green tea extracts which are meant to fight acne and keep your skin looking clear and oil-free. For times when I'm dealing with breakouts, this kit is definitely going to come to my rescue. And also look how cute these mini products look. Next, I'm going to talk about this Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal in the shade Black Brilliance. I got this for free too. It's free on orders above 1,299 rupees. And just look at the packaging. It is a prism and it's purple. It's such a unique take on kajal packaging. Most that I have bought have been black, but I can definitely see this one standing out on my dresser. I'm actually wearing this kajal right now on my lash line and let me tell you, it is super easy to apply. The color is bold, so I don't need to make multiple strokes of it to make my eyes pop. Now this has 4 times the quantity of most of the kajals, and it also has a gel liner texture which helps with easy application. I have sensitive eyes which tend to water easily, and it's best for sensitive eyes, like mine, which tend to water easily while using the eye makeup. I also got the Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel, the full-sized jar that is. I absolutely needed this night gel because most of the mornings I wake up, actually I have combination to dry skin, so my T-zone is oily whereas the rest of my face is dry. So when I wake up, the T-zone is really oily and it also tends to be sticky. So this product works perfect for me. Also, I'm almost done with this one, so I got a refill. The ingredients help fight acne and excess oils. Plus, because it's a night gel, just look at this texture. It looks so light. The formulation of the product is non-comedogenic and pillow-proof, which ensures that I wake up with non-greasy skin. Even the packaging looks so elegant with the frosted glass jar and the light green color of the gel. I absolutely love this, and whenever I use it, I wake up to fresh, hydrated and non-sticky skin. Next, I got this chamomile and white tea glow getter mask. For days when my skin feels very dry and dull, I could generally use a pick-me-up. It contains calming chamomile extracts which soothe my skin if I get an intense sun exposure. So it's great for the upcoming October heat that we're gonna face. It also has antioxidant white tea extracts which leave my skin feeling super supple. Plus the glow I'm left with looks so healthy and natural. I'm almost done with this one. I got myself another one. So currently this is my favorite mask to use. And last but not the least, I got my hands on this Olive and Macadamia NutriShield Preshampoo hair oil. I have been looking for a quick fix to provide extra nourishment to my hair before a wash without making my hair feel extra oily after application, and this product fulfills my needs perfectly. I have used this twice, and what I do is I just leave it on for 30 minutes before I take a shower. So seriously, you can leave it on for 30 minutes before you take a shower and you'll see the difference. It's free from 7 of the most damaging chemicals for hair, and it is full of natural oils that perfectly nourish and hydrate and prepare my hair for shampoos and conditioners. It also effectively solves my dull, dry, damaged hair problems. All in all, this is just the thing my hair needs to give it that extra bit of care and nourishment before every hair wash. That was all, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I would recommend you to definitely check out Plum's website. If you liked any of the products I got, you can find the links to them down below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And for more skincare content, follow Plum Goodness. Please like, share and subscribe to Plum's YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye bye.